Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight we're doing another parts review. I just received another part in the mail. I know I've been getting a lot, but that's what it takes to build a 500 kilowatt Barra, a lot of parts. So I end up getting the Atomic heavy duty timing chain kit. A lot of people just said, look, just use factory stuff, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. But I guess the way I was looking at this whole build is that just go that next step every time. I don't want to skimp out on something like a timing chain or oil pump gears or something like that and then end up with a blown engine. I just want to, be able to drive this car with confidence and give it a bit of hell with confidence, not stress that something's going to go wrong. Saying that though, you could have the best timing kit in the world, but if the guides end up breaking, then the whole thing breaks anyway. So the thing with the Atomic timing chain kits is that they still use the standard chain guides and they do fail now and then as well. So I'll give you guys a look at the kit and what it consists of. I haven't looked at this myself yet. Okay, maybe the guides are different now. So they used to be standard Ford guides, but by the looks of it now, Atomic have created their own guides. Well, at least this one looks like their own guide anyway. So this one might still be the standard Ford factory guide, but this one here is a lot more weighty. So I'm guessing it's a chrome moly guide, and it does have Atomic stamped in it. It does have Atomic stamped in it just there. So maybe they have upgraded the guides in this as well, which is a bonus. I always thought they just came with the standard Ford guides. But I think this one is a standard guide still. So if these snap, then everything's gone anyway, no matter how strong your chain is and all that other stuff. So these kits are 80% stronger than a factory. They recommend to use this kit with a heavy duty valve spring as well. And the chain itself, if we can get it out, the chain itself is a lot thicker than the factory chain as well. So that's the Atomic chain there. So when you actually pull it out, the links are super thick. If you compare them to the factory chain, it's a lot thicker. So we have that there. We have the HD tensioner there. So heavy duty tensioner. And then we have the chrome moly pivot bolt too. So they seem to talk about this a lot in their description. It must be a big thing that fails in the timing chains on the Barras. So that's the chrome moly pivot bolt right there. Another thing too is that the chain that they give you, the Atomic chain, is pre-stretched as well. It just saves you having to readjust anything. I think the tensioners adjust themselves anyway, but they do pre-stretch their chains. And then we just have some mounting hardware there for the guides. So it's pretty basic kit, but it's just all heavy duty stuff. So thicker chain, heavy duty tensioner, chrome moly pivot bolt, and then now it looks like to be a chrome moly guides as well. I'd have to double check that, but it looks like, yeah, they're doing a chrome moly guide, which is cool. So that is that. Just another piece to the big puzzle. Big expensive puzzle. So currently just waiting for the machine shop to finish up with the bits and pieces. So we should be on our way soon. Anyway guys, thank you for tuning in for another parts review, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.